Okay, sorry for so long absence from internet. I was busy to adapt my publications or presentations to the high school level, so to simplify it, and because I believe that almost all work is done, it is already known what is the longevity secret. And now today I present again the simplified version of my presentation, and so you can compare. This simplified version was done with DeepSeek application. Okay, so let's go. Why lions die young, and because meat is rotten inside of them and inside of you. So let's find out the longevity secret hidden in nature, so we can understand it easy. So a natural way for living long and healthy. Everyone wants to live a long and healthy life, while scientists are researching high-tech solutions like gene editing and stem cells. The most powerful tools for longevity might be found in nature, specifically in our diet. By looking at the eating habits of the longest living animals and applying principles from low-carb, high-fat diets, it is like a keto and carnivore diet, we can build a logical blueprint for extending our life and health span. So let's go, learning from nature longest lived animals. Nature shows us that genetics aren't destined when it comes to lifespan. Consider these fascinating examples. Number one, social insect queens, a queen bee and a termite who share the same DNA as workers, can live up to 100 times longer. What is the secret? A special lifelong diet provided to the queen by the colony. Number two, the bowhead whale. This giant mammal can live for over 200 years. Its primary food is krill, a small creature packed with high-quality protein, fat, and special fiber called chitin. Chitin feeds good gut bacteria, which produce healthy components called short-chain fatty acids. Short-chain fatty acids improve health and reduce inflammation. So this is the example of this bee queen. So they have the same genes, but receive other foods than working bees, and they live up to 7 years, while working bees live only 3 months maximum. So this is a bowhead whale. They consume krill mostly and small fish. Number 3 is microbats. These insect-eating bats can live up to 40 years, while a similar-sized mouse lives only 1-2 years. Their diet of flying insects provide protein, fat, and chitin, and their food moves from their digestive system very quickly. Number 4, naked rats live up to 35 years, and blind mole rats live about 30 years. Eat the starchy interiors of tubers and rely on starch fermentation by the gut microbes that produce short-chain fatty acids and bacterial protein. And number 5, that's the common thread here, is a diet centered on animal-based foods, often including specific fibers that feed friendly gut bacteria. This leads to a crucial conclusion for human health. The digestive speed and production of short-chain fatty acids for gut in the gut matters. So this is microbats. They eat flying insects, and this is a blind mole rat. They eat this starchy interior of the some tubers. So when food, especially protein, sits in our gut for too long, it can rot and feed harmful bacteria that produce toxins. This causes chronic inflammation, which is a major driver of aging. The long-living animals we see in nature have short digestion times, which prevents this problem. We can mimic this by focusing on 2 key strategies. Number one, eating easily digestive proteins. As we age, our stomach acid decreases, making it harder to break down tough proteins. Fatty red meats with connective tissue can take days to digest, potentially feeding gut the microbes and inflammation. This gut pathogens and inflammation. Eggs, whey protein, and certain dairy products provide high value, easy to digest protein. So, okay, eggs are very, very healthy, but you have to look for free-range eggs. So, number two, using specific prebiotics to keep things moving. A strict carnivore diet might be not optimal for long term, as large carnivores like lions have relatively short lifespans. The key is to combine animal foods with specific gut-friendly fibers such as chitin and resistant starch. Chitin is found in mushrooms and insect shells. Resistant starch is found in raw potato starch. This starch isn't digested in the small intestine, but it is fermented by our gut bacteria in the colon, also producing short-chain fatty acids. Mixing raw potato starch with ascorbic acid can suppress starch digestion in the thin intestine, making it is even more effective and in the speeding gut transit time. So this is how prebiotics work. So resistant starches provide food for the friendly bacteria, and it is improving health of the gut and accelerate the food getting through, accelerate digestion time. Building a young, full body from the inside out. Aging is not just about our gut. Our entire body structure ages. The major issues are, number one, stiffening tissues. Over time, sugar molecules in our blood can cross-link with proteins like collagen and elastin, making our skin wrinkle and our blood vessels stiff. This process is called glycation. Certain amino acids like glycine and lysine have been shown to have anti-glycation effects. Vitamins like vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and minerals like zinc are essential for production of healthy collagen and elastin. So it's again, glycation is cross-linking collagen fibers and make our tissues stiff. Number two, atherosclerosis of arteries. The fat we eat matters. Polyunsaturated fatty acids from vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil are unstable and easily become oxidized. This oxidized fat can build up in artery walls, causing plaque formation and hardening of the walls, which leads to high blood pressure and heart disease. To protect our arteries, avoid vegetable oils high in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Instead, focus on stable fats like from butter, tallow, and eggs. So number three, support your body clean-up crew. Our cells have clean-up organelles called lysosomes. Oxidized polyunsaturated fatty acids can gum up these systems, creating age spots on the skin and slowing down metabolism. Supplements like taurine and glycine and NAC can help boost our master antioxidant glutathione and protect against this damage. Okay, this is how this plaque is formed. I was talking about this in my previous videos. Sorry about this noise. My house near the road. Okay, let's go. A practical plan for long, healthy life. Based on this logic, here a simple dietary framework to promote longevity. Number one, base your diet on eggs, butter, goat milk, if you can buy goat milk, because goat milk is easier to digest than cow milk. Whey protein and high-quality meats. Consider Sous-Vide cooking of tougher meats like red meat. Number two, include gut-friendly prebiotics. Prebiotics is bacteria, friendly bacteria. And Prebiotics is food for friendly bacteria, but also probiotics are also necessary. Probiotics is lactobacteria, for example, from fermented milk. Eat edible mushrooms for keto and consider taking raw potato starch mixed with water and ascorbic acid, for example, lemon juice. This approach, like combination of high quality animal protein plus ketone or resistant starch, supports a healthy and fast digestion similar to that in long-living animals we admire and want to mimic. So eat butter, start your day with butter. Eat as much as you want, and again, if you want to eat just more butter. And this omelette with mushrooms are very, very healthy, very healthy. Number 3, consider key supplements such as taurine, up to 6 grams per day, and in combination of glycine with NAC to support antioxidant levels. These supplements have been shown to significantly extend lifespan in animals. Vitamin C, zinc, and lysine are necessary to support collagen and elastin sintering and fight glycation. And number 4, avoid processed food and industrial vegetable oils high in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Okay, this is how this glutathione is made from cysteine and glutamic acid. Glutamic acid you can get as monosodium glutamate. Glutamate is glutamic acid. And glycine, yeah, so it is, and taurine also can participate in it. So conclusion, by learning from nature and focusing on a diet of nutrient-dense animal foods, supported by specific gut health boosters, we can create an environment in our bodies that is primed for long and vibrant life. Okay, so I present here a very short version of my presentations, and for comparison I will give in next week's presentations which with references to the source of information you can compare. But again, I tried to adapt my findings for people who have not high university education, not specialized in biology, and only to make it understandable. So I try my best, and again, I use artificial intelligence. It helps a lot, but yet not enough. Okay, so again, I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something new. You see, it is very affordable. Again, I will go into more details in next videos with source information. But again, you save, actually, if you will follow my recommendation, you will save money and you will save time on cooking and shopping, and actually it is very affordable. I save money, really save money. So stay away from fruits and vegetables. Follow strict carnivore diet, but with prebiotics such as ketone from mushrooms and this resistant starch from potato starch. Okay, so don't forget to press the like and bell buttons, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps. So, and helps to spread this information. I don't know, do you people want to live longer? I don't know. Actually, not many people want to live longer. I try to live longer because I see that our Western civilization is collapsing, and I want to see new age, new galactic future of our civilization. I hope I will see it, but it will take, of course, long. Okay, take care and bye-bye.